I'm gonna lay down my Glock and gat down on the riverside, down on the riverside. Hey, enough of that. Let me just tell you, that's what our ancestors sang, or a form of it, to get to the point that we're at now as a people. But let me read you something from Matthew. When Jesus returned to Capernaum, a Roman officer came and pleaded with him, saying, "Lord, my young servant lies in bed, paralyzed, and is in terrible pain." From the 8th chapter of Matthew, verse 7. Jesus said, "I will come and heal him." But the Roman officer said, "Lord, I'm not worthy to have you come into my home. Just say the word from where you are, and my servant will be healed." I know this because I am under the authority of my superior officers and have authority over my soldiers. I only have to say, "Go," and they go, or "Come," and they come. Guess what? That's what we need to be about, putting ourselves under. And as we do that through this day, as you start off in the morning, put yourself under somebody. Put yourself under your neighbor. Consider yourself less than. As a fraction, as you go down in the denominator, guess what? Your whole fraction goes up. It's a relativity thing. A little surprise. I'm gonna lay down my Glock and gat down on the riverside, down on the riverside, down on the riverside. I'm gonna lay down my Glock and gat down on the riverside. Study war no more. I'm gonna study war no more.